filter today. Oh my god. I like this. Okay. Hi guys. मैं बहुत थकी हुई हूँ और I like that everybody is joining in. Hello. Hello. बेपनाह प्यार तुझसे तू क्यों जाने ना. PC, would you want to come and join me in the live?
Later, please.
No, I've not switched the camera. Come if you want to join. Okay, we might have her. Okay. So today was a great day. 24th March, Bepana Pyar released. It's trending on YouTube. I think we're trending on number what? 5, 4? I want to hear it when I get to hear. It's trending on number 1. I'll be the happiest. So make it happen. The views are going up, and I have had a great day. The entire team of Viral Originals, me, Sharad, we were all doing multiple interviews with regards to Bepana Pyar, and we are so happy. Okay, so I have got some time. I tried to squeeze some time to actually see some comments on my YouTube video of Bepana Pyar on Viral Originals, and the ones that I've liked, I'm going to talk about them. Okay, we are going to सब शुरू करने से पहले मैंने अर्जित का कमेंट पढ़ लिया, तो क्या करूं मैं? हाँ, तेरे को बताती हूँ मैं मिलके कि तू क्या करेगा, ठीक है? Hi guys, trending on number 7. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Nadia. Thank you, Rocking Girl. Love the song. How sweet is that? Yes, it's a different look. I've tried to do something different. Hi guys, कानपुर आइए कभी, ठीक है? वर्तिका, कोशिश रहेगी कि मैं आऊं. Ahana, I miss you too. Q2, मेरा Q2. We're planning something soon, and last time we couldn't see you. I hope this time we see you. And let me just open the phone. Hello guys. Hi, thank you for joining in. Arjit, you have approved and you have loved the song. I'm happy. Yeah, तेरे से appreciation आना मतलब I'm sure I'm looking good. Hi guys. Puneet ji, आप बोल रहे हैं hi. Nagit ji, how are you? Yes, I'm back again. मेरी कोशिश एक आशा. तू हम लोग को ना एक तो बॉडी गोल्स देती है, तू हम लोग को कैंपेन गोल्स देती है, तू हमें इंस्टाग्राम क्वीन गोल्स देती है. मेरी कबूल है कि जोया क्यूटी. आई थिंक इट्स टाइम वी शुड मीट नाउ ना. अब बहुत हो गया है, करना पड़ेगा कुछ. सो मेनी पीपल. मामा इज हियर. शिवानी, माय मामा फ्रॉम नागिन is here. Hi mama. Hi, I hope you're okay. Good. Okay guys, so I am going to quickly do this because I've had a great day, and I'm also now kind of exhausted, so I am going to quickly read the comments that I've loved. Thank you for pouring in so much love for Bepana Pyar on Viral Originals YouTube page. And okay, so I've got the comments here. I am going to read the comment that I loved. Okay. I have Afan Pathan. If you are watching this, Afan, I have loved your comment. It says, what a mind-blowing chemistry they share. Loved it. Love you both, Sharad and Surbhi. This song is best, so good, melodious. Love the reaction and looks of both Surbhi and Sharad is amazing. The singing of Payal Dev and Yasir is fabulous. Love you, the whole team. Amazing song and cross 100 million views eagerly. Love you both, guys. Thank you, Afan Pathan. Thank you. This is so kind. So yes, if you are watching me live, thank you. We have loved your comment. I have another comment that I've really loved. It's by Sunita Agarwal. She says that Surbi Chalna is such a grace to the song. How sweet is that? And the voice of Yasir and Payal. Oh my God, yes, I couldn't agree more. We can repeatedly listen to it due to melodious voice they have. Yes, yes, yes. And Surbi surely has had such a top-notch acting potential. Thank you. From Haya to this. Oh my God, if Jyoti is here, she would know my journey from Haya to today this. Yes, this girl is such a talent. I love this comment, Sunita Agarwal. Lots and lots of love. I have one comment that I've really loved. It is for Sharad. It's by Jyoti Tandal. It says Sharad's acting in each and every scene is so perfectly done by him. I couldn't agree more. At last, the way Sharad pulled the gun near his heart, I don't know how many times I've watched that scene. Sharad's experience, Sharad's mind-blowing acting skills. I think everything is, it's so beautifully done in this 3-minute music video. So that's Jyoti Tandal. I have loved your comment. Okay. We have a comment that I have really liked, which is by It's Me Camellia. Okay. Thank you Viral Originals for this masterpiece. Thank you for calling it a masterpiece. The song is beautiful and so is our Sharbi. Their sizzling chemistry was the main attraction. It's just amazing. Thank you. I love this comment. Okay. And I have a lot of my favorite comments. Okay. Vani Roy is another comment that I've really loved. It says, this music video is the proof that how much people loved Sharad and Surbhi Nagin. 5, their comeback in this music video says that our love for Sharbi is bepana. And about music video, so firstly, as always, their magic is working here purely. All Vani vibes are present, shown here. The way Bani's vibe and the way he pointed the gun to his heart was giving Veer's vibe. The cinematography and direction is perfect one. Hats off to Pooja ma'am, director sir and whole team, plus Payal and Yasir sir's voices taking the fields for this music video on its peak. Also thanks to Viral Originals. Thank you so much for bringing them back. So Vani Roy, this is such a lovely comment. मेघना शुक्ला लिख रही हैं कि प्रॉब्लम लग रहा है तुम्हारा एटीट्यूड. अच्छा, मुझे बताइएगा आपको ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि मेरा एटीट्यूड प्रॉब्लम है. Okay, and we are now going to read 2-3 more comments and then I have to wrap this up. But I have I think we've got about 15-16K comments. So yes. We have got a message, a comment from Krishna Rana that says, thank you so much Viral Originals for casting my favorite Sharad and Surbhi together in this masterpiece song. Honestly, I love this song and gonna watch and listen on loop for sure. Thank you. I always loved all your romantic melody songs, and this one is gonna really special to me and gonna be super hit as well. Kudos to production team, singers, amazing cinematography and choreography, amazing directions. My Sharbi people, they're usually looking fire together, and obviously how amazing chemistry in this music video as usual. Looking for more as well. Thanks. Oh my God, thank you. नेहा नंदनी का मुझे एक बहुत अच्छा, बहुत ही कमाल का कमेंट लगा कि मुझे उनसे, अगर वो ये देख रही हैं तो नेहा नंदनी, आपने लिखा है कि why Surbhi is always an agent and falls in love. She is in the bracket talking about Judaiyan. I think you're confusing me with Surbhi. That is my very dear friend Koshish Ikasha, meaning Surbhi Jyoti, and I think she was in that song if I'm not mistaken. So yes, okay, and oh my God, there's so many messages. Oh my God. Amaya Ansari 794, अगर आप यहाँ पे हैं तो thank you. Surbhi was just amazing. That's so lovely. Thank you. Okay, one of my last comments that I've really loved, that's Jasmine Jafar. If you are watching this, Jasmine, this is so beautiful. Surbi just nailed it. Her acting and expressions are mind-blowing. No one can beat Surbi when it comes to putting on expressions in romantic scenes. Overall song is so heart-touching and soothing. Thank you, Jasmine Jafar. So I have taken the names and the comments that I have, उनके नाम ले लिए हैं जिनके comments मुझे बहुत प्यारे लगे थे. ऐसे बहुत हैं, but since I had to keep this precise, so I had to just pick quick ones that I really love. But there are all the comments that I love. Thank you. चाहे वो appreciation हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, चाहे आपकी कोई नाराजगी भी हो. Thank you so much. Okay, we are soon going to be making some reels on this song, on Bepana Pyar, which we will of course eventually keep telling you guys what's going to happen. And I think it's about time I sign off, because now I will go eat, because it was a full day of lots of media bites and stuff, and it was such a lovely day. And thank you so much for all the love to Bepana Pyar. I'm getting great comments. We are getting loved. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था. So 24th March has been extremely lucky for us. And go watch the video if you still haven't watched Bepana Pyar on Viral Originals YouTube. Good night. Okay, how do I end this now? कैसे होता है end? हाँ, भूल गई मैं.